Let's go ahead and check out the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. All the converse of the Pythagorean theorem is just restating it the other way. It's basically saying if a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, then the triangle is a right triangle. So it's basically stating if I plug in the leg lengths, and I add those and I square those and add those together and I get the hypotenuse squared, then it's confirming that I do have a right triangle. So what I might do is I might have 3 lengths. 3, 4, and 5 are my lengths for my triangle. What I want to figure out is, does it form a right triangle? Okay, so 3 and 4 have to be my leg lengths because those are the 2 shortest sides. 5 has to be my hypotenuse. So I'm going to go ahead and substitute those in there. So I'm going to have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. Now I'm going to go ahead and simplify. 9 plus 16 is 25. Does 25 equal 25? It does. This lets me know that 3, 4, and 5 do make a right triangle. Okay? Because I got 25 is equal to 25, it makes a right triangle. So I can make a right triangle with those 3 side lengths. All right. Well, I'm going to check it again to see if all 3 consecutive numbers work. So I'm going to try 6, 7, and 8. All right. 6 and 7 are going to be my leg lengths because those are the 2 shortest sides. And 8 is my hypotenuse because that's the longest length. So I'm going to do 6 squared plus 7 squared equals 8 squared. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. 7 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. 8 squared is 8 times 8, which is 64. I'm going to simplify 36 plus 49, which is 85. So I end up with 85 equal to 64. 85 does not equal 64, so I'm going to put a not equal here. And as a result, since 85 is not equal to 64, this lets me know that this does not make a right triangle. So if you tried, you would not be able to make a right triangle with 6, 7, and 8. You might be able to make a triangle with it. Actually, you can make a triangle with it, but you cannot make a right triangle with it because when I get done simplifying, I end up with 85 equal to 64, which we know that they're not equal. And as a result, it does not make a right triangle. So again, the converse is just telling me, hey, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then therefore the triangle is a right triangle. In the first example, this did check out. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, so yes, it was true. Whereas in the second example, 6 squared plus 7 squared did not equal 8 squared, and as a result, it was not true, and as a result, it was not a right triangle.